Open your Photoshop. Create a new file. Go to Film and Video tab. And select HDTV 1080p. Now go to File option. Go to Script. And select Load Files into Stack. Then import the required images. This time I will select background and bottle images. Wait for some time. Photoshop will load the images. Then go to Windows option. Select Arrange. And then select Tiles. Select all the layers. And drag and drop them into left window. And close the right window. Now we will have to work on background of our thumbnail. So hide the layers of bottle. I'll place the apple and mango tree layer below the layers of bottles. Go to Move tool and unselect the Auto Select option. Then arrange all the layers like how I am arranging. Now stay in mango tree layer and add a mask to it. Select Gradient tool and draw a linear line on the border of the mango tree image. Then in the Properties panel, go to Presets and open the drop-down box. And in the Basic, select the first gradient. Then flip the linear gradient line to opposite side. Again, arrange both the points till it creates proper transition between two images. Select Apple Tree layer and add a mask to it, and draw a linear gradient line on the border of the apple tree image. Adjust the line properly till it creates proper transition. Then stay on apple tree layer and create a new layer above it. Go to New Fill or Adjustment Layer option and add a gradient layer. Click OK. In Properties panel, scroll toward down. Click on the first color picker dot and change the color to white. Then select the first color picker and drag it to right to spread the white color in an image. Now unhide the pineapple juice bottle layer. Select it and place it properly in the middle. Now unhide the mango juice bottle layer. On the Auto Select option, and select the bottle and resize it. And place it properly on left side. Then unhide the apple juice bottle layer and place it in right side, and resize it properly. Then go to Files and select Open. And import the image of mangoes. Then select the Object Selection tool and select the first mango. Then click Ctrl X to move the selected object, and go to Main Layers and press Ctrl V to paste the selected object. Then select the Move tool, and place the mango at bottom of the bottle. Adjust it in good-looking way. Now again go to Mango's fruit layer. Then repeat the same process to place remaining fruits. So after adding some more fruit images, and you want to place the fruit behind the bottle, then just select that fruit layer and drag it below the bottle layer. Now just add a yellowish gradient effect above the white color. So go to Gradient Effect layer. In Properties, we will have to adjust color picker points. So just add a color picker point to left. And change its color to white. Then go to Middle Color Picker Point. And change its color to light yellowish. Then we will add shadow behind the fruits. So add a new layer above Gradient layer, and select the Brush tool. Then go to Brush Settings. And select a brush which can create a better shadow effect. I'll select this soft rounded brush. And increase its size a little bit. The shadow is becoming too large. So I'll just go above the brush size setting and decrease the size of the brush. I'll decrease the opacity to 50% and draw a shadow behind each of the fruit. And our thumbnail is ready. So go to Files, Export and Export as. Select whichever format you want to export. And set the quality of your image. Then click Export to export the image. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.